Want to stand up?
I'm going to turn now.
Well, wait for Joan. Wait, a bad man can take you. You have to wait for Joan. You can go outside. Maybe Mommy will take a little rest. Don't open yet, please. Gilly, you know what? Deans can get really hurt from the door. Where did I put Dean's socks? Do you know? He wants to go too. He's also a person. Who's coughing? Gilush, bless you. You do? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Did you watch it? Don't scratch it though.
I tried it.
Be very careful. You have to use gentle fingers. No, not on the floor. Gilly. What kind of trick is that? What kind of trick is that? A bad trick or a good trick?
Good trick.
You think? I'm not sure if that's the nicest thing to do. Dean.